Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach that guides leaders to be the leader of their own career and create a career they can love. So we offer leadership coaching that puts your career first. So if you're feeling stuck, but you've achieved a certain level of professional success, you know there's more for you in your career, just not sure what, how, maybe even why, when, all the questions you don't have answers to. We have them. Well, honestly, you have them, but we create them together. We know where to look for them. So if that resonates, send me a message. Find me on LinkedIn, Dr. Benjamin Ritter. Go to liveforyourselfconsulting.com, send a message to our team. We'll schedule a call. And let's see if we have a solution. Because we have a solution. Let's see if it's a solution for you. So today I was thinking about what I wanted to discuss this Friday. And I'm very much about outcomes. So Ben, what's coaching? Well, coaching works towards a specific goal, and then things that come up that get in the way, we deal with, we take care of. And so one of the things that we tend to do with clients that want to work towards something, but aren't really able to take action towards it, is to ask them a very simple question. I'm going to ask you this question right now. What is it that you're trying to achieve or want to achieve? Like you think you really want to achieve it, but can't take action towards it. Get that in mind. This could be a goal for 60 seconds. Could have been a goal you just created now. But more likely, like a lot of my clients, it's something they've been thinking about for a long time. Maybe they don't want to admit it. Or maybe they're just starting to admit it. Now, you're not able to take action towards it. You're not taking action towards it. What if I said that's never going to happen for you? It's gone. Erase it. Kaput. You can't do it anyways. Why would you even think that was possible? It's kind of silly that you had this dream and this idea. When I say that, what comes up for you personally? When I take away the opportunity for this thing to occur in your life? When I say you're not good enough for it? Now, if you're like some of my clients, you'll be like, F you. Who are you to tell me what I can and can't do? Or you'll feel like a sinking feeling in your gut. This is a sign, and I know you've been waiting for it, that you need to start taking some action towards this thing, no matter how big. It could be something very small. But that aversion, that resistance, means something. And I hope it's enough to create a little bit of action. Because this is why I do what I do. And to help you live a little bit more for yourself.